point, just feel free.
Yeah, I'm sharing it right now.
Awesome. Okay, we're live.
All right. Hello, everybody. I need to find the window where we are. Oh my goodness. Too many windows. Oh, there. Oh.
You know, that's exactly what I just did right before this.
I know. Like, where did it end up? This is okay. We decided last week, right, that there needs to be a T-shirt that says "Thoughts Become Chrome Tabs." I am making that shirt. Like, as I wander through my Chrome tabs, embarrassed that I can't see anything that's going on. But hey, everybody, hopefully you can see my screen. Can you see my screen?
No, all I see is the ad stage to the falafel video that you had. Now
that's it.
That's it.
This is a dynamic opening. This is the best opening ever. There we go. I found us. Okay, yeah, it's because I didn't actually hit share.
Okay. Now, what is this, part 4 of
this is part 4 of like wow, yeah, I did that thing. There we go. Now is it sharing?
Yep.
Okay, yeah, because that's so interesting that you just click around. I like that, actually. Okay, so here's what I've been working on with Julie and Rutro, and soon to be adding Endless Summer, all from X. Really amazing creators. I actually live prompted these in a morning show with Mojo and Dr. Heath today. And Dr. Heath wrote a song about a woolly mammoth mouse. And so we prompted what that would look like. So that's kind of just like the random things that we were doing. But now I have a couple assets I need to create for our very first kind of mock-up of a video. By the way,
yes. Really quick, what kind of prompt did you use for that? That's really awesome generation.
Well, thank you. Let me read it to you. A ridiculously basic and stupid simple 2D elementary school level pencil sketch line drawing of a cute hybrid mutant woolly mammoth mouse.
Oh, wow. It's really good. And it's Flexcraft? Awesome.
Yep. Yeah, I love this one. So we're doing this whole drawing initiative. Those are those guys. And then I think I had some squirrels. Yep, I had some squirrels. And I think I don't know if you guys saw the Eagles last week.
Yes.
But yeah, so remember what I said on the stream last time is, hey, how can we make, or no, this was on Wednesday, talking about workflows. So I made a little prototype workflow, a prototype for a workflow that I want to make a storyboard generator / animation generator / drawing tutorial generator. And so this is actually my favorite one. Even though like you see there's tiny changes between here, that just made me think like this could be really cool for animation, just to kind of learn it. But also, you know, there's the 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6, no 5s in this world.
That's hilarious.
Yeah.
But so I did a really awesome job on, you know, how you would, you know, go from beginning to the end of the drawing.
Yeah. Well, now this one, that one is a lot more detailed. So this is the prompt. And that took me a long time working in Multibot, which, yes, it's my new favorite. So I did Multibot with Perplexity and Sonar Reasoning. And I think I can show you that. Yeah, this is how I spent yesterday morning making this little, you know, just kind of perfecting that. And so this is the main part of the prompt, is create a 6-step drawing tutorial of a squirrel as a storyboard consisting of exactly 6 equally sized square cells arranged left to right, top to bottom. And then I found that I could actually give it this, and it got closer with the numbering, but I don't know. Like, I don't know what went wrong. And then I did some details of, you know, just so this is what, when we're working on workflows this Wednesday, I heard you, Ross. I heard you say one thing. What one thing would you like to be able to do? And that is to be able to slightly modulate something within a workflow so that you're getting consistency, but it's moving. It's not like a kaleidoscope, if that makes sense. So that I have very slight variations of the subject that I can put. You know, the user can pick any subject if they want to do a drawing tutorial one sheet of a woolly mammoth mouse, then they can do that. So I just had to kind of start abstracting things, going from foundation to this finished product. And then this is where I was kind of yelling at it and saying like, all right, stop innovating that much, make the size, outlines, expression, internal proportions, orientation, and then the step sequence must be logical, progressive, and accurately numbered in strict sequence. It did not listen to that part. So I don't know. Do you guys have any suggestions on how to be more clear with this? Because I am learning prompting on the fly.
So can you read that part again?
Yeah.
Or just maximize it a little bit?
Oh, sure. So ensure each drawing within the cells maintains exactly consistent size, outlines, expression, internal proportions, and orientation. Because some of the first generations that you can see, it's so cute. They were all sorts of different orientations. So, I just, when it would output something, I would kind of call it on it. And then, then I want to show you my favorite one. That's actually kind of creepy.
It's hard to pick a favorite.
No, it's this, because that's a squirrel. It thinks that's a squirrel. It's nearly the same prompt, but
it looks like a Pokemon.
Oh, you know what I didn't put in? Squirrel, the word squirrel, because this is where I added the word squirrel.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, I'm like, read my mind, Pixio. Come on. And actually on the show, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I asked on the morning show that I started with Mojo, the Now Show, 7 o'clock somewhere, I have a guest come on, which I'd love to have TSI on, by the way, like sometime coming up.
Sure.
And we always do some sort of music, and then we feature artists, and then we draw together. And so I asked one of my guests, Cody, what do you want to draw? And he threw me a total curveball. And he's like, I want to draw a unicorn sleeping, and then you have to fill in the nightmare he's having. And I was like, what? So I went to Pixio and I prompted, I need an image that's a pencil sketch of a unicorn having a nightmare with a dream bubble emerging from his or her noggin that is blank. The artist needs to fill in the nightmare. So a lot of this is like kind of useless for Pixio. Normal size legs and all features are proportional like a horse. This word proportional is really important in getting consistency. And then I just said, what is the unicorn doing? The unicorn is sleeping. So we have verbs. We've got setting, verbs. What is it? There's the noun. But then the proportional is going to be the adjective that I think is really most helpful in creating these little drawing tutorials. And this one also has like frog legs or something.
The frog legs one is hilarious. When I was watching your video, you guys were cracking me up. What did you guys call it? It was like a
do we what?
You guys said something about like a heavy set horse. It was really funny.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Well, no, I think Mojo said like, don't call me fat, call me twice.
Yeah, there you go.
A unit. It was
so funny.
Yeah, it wasn't very much like that was even less like this is where I started. I went overboard and I had Perplexity. I told Perplexity to optimize something. So this is where it's like way too much information for AI. Like you guys always say, let it do its job. Otherwise you end up things with like this cat mouse squirrel. And these are the numbers 5, 12, 3, 6, and F. Number F.
Oh wow.
So yeah. I have a lot of squirrels because it was a really fun experiment.
Well, one thing we could try as well, one of the new models that Alicia created, when I give you the beta link, I want you to try the same prompt and just see how that does.
What, talking to it?
It's like one of the competitors to Flex that you had.
Yeah, but it's not. It's only realistic.
Oh, it's only realistic?
Yeah.
Okay. So.
Oh, I can go. I mean, the realistic, that would be kind of cool because that would be more towards the animation. And if thinking like if you want a really subtle scene, you could have things that are slightly changing or prompt it to change in more direct ways, and then you actually are creating a little storyboard for to put into what is it? VidCraft Ultra. VidCraft Ultra Turbo, I believe. the one that you can have like up to 3 different pictures that are saying beginning, middle, and end. So then if you want like a lot of consistency, that might be pretty cool. So yeah, definitely game to try it. But actually, almost called you Alisher. Probably because Alisher's there.
Yeah, we're all here, so
you're all there. Yeah,
you got the entire TSI.
You got the TSI. So do you want to go ahead and play that video? Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. On the
Julie's here. Julie, I'm sorry I didn't see you.
Julie, I'm so excited for you to see this and work on it together. This is where I'm at with just something I was playing around with. Wait, before you play it, let me give some context. So we have a script that we have been kind of perfecting, and we have a lot of the pieces to it, but we're all learning about the lip sync piece too, and getting things that we can be in control, like we did a couple weeks ago with the Vidcraft Alpha, or not Alpha, is it whatever it was, the one where you can talk, or it wasn't TalkCraft, it was a Vidcraft model, but just to be able to
talk about Vidcraft Ultra, where you can put your video of your
video, right? And so that's what I want to learn more about. But this one we did what we call the bad lip reading method. Have you guys seen the bad lip reading YouTube? You have like Yoda and the seagulls, and they have so many on that YouTube channel. It's hilarious. And then so Julie and Rutro and I all gave these little versions, and I actually had my friend Sarah do it this morning too, of what they're saying. So I think now let's watch it. So that's where the video comes from, because Julie prompted the video and created that, and then we just all came up with lyrics that fit it, and then I put those lyrics into Songcraft, and then lined it up with the transients, so it's fairly well synced. So play it. Go ahead and hit that button.
And first, I want to just thank you, Julie, for finding that issue on Songcraft. Currently, we're fixing it right now. So,
yay, Julie!
If you are using it, and also Songcraft Pro is back, so you can definitely use that time.
Good.
Yeah, we have kind of a rock star little production unit forming. I love this. This was such a fun week, Julie, and Rutro, if you're listening, just getting into the trenches and working on building an animation studio. Like that's.
I feel like we gotta create an AI animation studio.
I think so. I mean, yeah. And then we're adding Endless Summer as she's got such great eye for detail and consistency and marketing and branding. So I'm excited. All right, let's watch this video. And the black spaces in between are where I need to prompt a couple things, especially with the squirrel, to add in Rutro's character. Or Rutro's is there. My daughter's character, actually, Maria's character. All right, go ahead. Wait, do I have to go ahead? I have to go ahead.
Okay, yeah.
This is the logo that'll be there.
Why totally, I'll rock the stage. Watch me shred with my invisible guitar solo.
That's a squirrel.
Welcome back, Harold. You forgot your falafel. Like totally, I'll rock the stage. Watch me shred with my invisible guitar solo.
I love those sound effects. Rutro is our Foley artist. Like
it reminds me of that little squirrel from Ice Age.
I know. Julie, what were you saying?
Oh, I was just laughing. That's so funny.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. So we need one image of the squirrel playing a guitar, and then one image or a video, like a short clip of the squirrel playing guitar, a short clip of this whoever let's see. Whoever this guy is, I forgot his name. Harold. We need some sort of generation of Harold forgetting his falafel, whoever Harold is. And then, Ross, did you see yourself? And then Nick, here's you.
Wait. Oh my god, I see myself.
There you are. Yep.
And where's Ross? Which one's Ross?
This one's Ross.
The purple one.
Ah, I see it.
Yep. And here is Julie. Here is my daughter Maria. This is my friend Allie. This is my friend Sarah. That's me. That's Barry bass is still kind of up for grabs. If anybody's got a nice bass voice that's listening, we're still casting. And then here's Rutro's character.
I don't know why, but I think of AI Jim when I see Barry.
You think?
What do you think?
AI, oh my gosh!
The hair,
does he
hair.
sing? AI John,
I don't know, but
if you're listening, do you sing? Can somebody DM him, please?
Grab him.
I think we should just, yeah. I mean, he's got the job. Going once, going twice. If you want it, it's yours, AI John. Even if you can't sing, we'll teach you how.
Is he in here? Is he watching?
I don't know, but he'll see this eventually, because who can resist? Like right now, as people are scrolling the feeds, they're like, "What the heck? What is happening?"
Did you like how I put them all together? I built a little
my gosh, this
desk and put that curtain there. And
that was so brilliant. And I think
only thing I've got another one. I need to send over to you where Susie. There's actually a microphone there on the in front of Susie.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome.
If you want, you can share your screen, Julie, and right now.
Let me see if we've got like horror. I don't know what's going on with the weather here, but the winds are like crazy right now. Like things are hitting our roof, and I was having some internet issues a while ago. Let me see if I can even pull up my my screen keeps freezing. I don't even know if you can you all hear me okay?
We can hear you.
All right.
You might have thoughts become Chrome tabs. Just remember that. It's sometimes I've got 12 of them right now. I got to close.
I've probably got at least 30.
Okay, that might be why.
Yeah, I know. I've got like three screens, and my son, every time he comes in from college, he's like, "Mom, have you felt of your laptop lately?"
Oh my goodness. Okay, so here's what I think we can do.
I need all these things.
Yeah. So am I sharing or are you sharing? Okay, good. So I think let's go ahead and let's prompt some of these videos, because I would love by the end of this live stream to have a finished video that we can share as content. Like that would be phenomenal. 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 Sorry.
So, what's the best way for me to send the beta link?
If you want to do it in Slack, that's easiest, because then it's nothing that is on
Julie,
screen.
do you have the beta link already, or do you want me to send it to you as well?
For Pixio, I have it.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, there's some new stuff that we're gonna also try out. I'll send it to you right now, Dan.
I love it. See, this is exciting to have these brand new toys that aren't even released. So here, while I'm waiting for that, let's see. I can share an image file, and this is what we're gonna start with. Is animating this. Oh wait, do I have to share it, or do you? I think you have to share it, or let it in the show or something, because I'm sharing both of them. There we go. So that's going to be that what goes in the beginning sequence where there's just like black screen, and I'd like to kind of see if there's different versions of this we could do, because we're not always going to want Singalingables in this giant puppet's mouth. So we can like remove the background, right? I'm assuming like creatively, because it might be hard here for a background remover.
Is it an image or video?
It's an image. Yeah, this is an image I want to make into a video.
The chat.
Yep. Yeah, you can definitely do that. Let me send you a link.
Just be like, background, make background black.
Yeah. Also, what's really cool is now you can also remove backgrounds for videos. I should just added that.
What?
Oh, cool.
I love it.
So I did send it to you, Ross. Sorry.
Ross, just in case you needed the Pixio link.
I'm jumping out of tabs, out of desktop.
Yeah.
It's funny. All right, so I sent it to you on Slack.
Okay, I see it.
So you just log in like how you normally would. And if you need credits, we can also give you some credits.
Sweet. Much appreciated. Depends on how much things cost today, because I blew most of my credits on VO2 because it was an easy way to blow them. But did I show the little vulture from Colombia that I did for one of our songs? It's incredible that I did that in VO2.
Also, VO2 now is going to have image to video as well. So not just.
Oh, see, that's what I was waiting for.
Oh, yeah.
I knew it was a thing, but I know
it was a thing,
it was out yet.
It was not a thing, and then it became a thing again.
Yeah, I love it. Okay, so let me just show you that really quick. And I did a couple other things. I talked about last week how we made a lot of the kids from this music video into like rock stars and sports players. Okay, it is. It's there.
Are you sharing?
I'm not sharing. Oh shoot,
Okay.
I'm not sharing. That's
Yeah,
silly. That's lame. Okay. No, yeah, the image is there in VO2. So I might just go ahead and burn some credits and try it out.
Yep.
But I think did I tell you? I think I told you the Perplexity and Sonar piece that I did to get some cool stuff in VO2. Did I show that?
Not sure. Show it and we'll see right now.
Okay. So, really close. All right. So you see how much I love multibot right now? I need a
I'm screen.
optimized.
Oh wait, are you sharing multi-box screen?
No. Thank you.
There should be like share multiple.
There should be. Yeah, there really should be. Come on, people. I need to prompt optimize for VO2 that will create that will. Yeah.
Check this out. You could refresh and new GPT searches here.
What? I don't know what that means.
Refresh,
okay.
And you go to OpenAI. It's like Perplexity, but OpenAI version.
Okay, I can do that.
Should be on that list.
Mini search or search?
Yeah. Search preview.
For the 4.0 search. Oh, search preview.
Brand new.
Both are search.
Oh, I want to go all in. So that will source an image of a puppet holding or no, source an. I'll just say source an image of a theatrical scene. I want to be kind of general here, and make an epic transition into a marquee lit sign saying singalingables. Okay, so let's now Perplexity did a great job. Let's see how GPT does, because I was getting exactly what I wanted. Okay. So then you always want to not, you leave behind the garbage that's explaining this stuff. So here's.
All right, that's good. Good way to get prompts from like GPT search.
Yep. And so, I'm learning some things.
So also, I remember you asked the question about the prompt from your previous chat. You can try it as well and see if it gives you any luck.
Okay. Let's go 5 seconds because it's 500 credits. And then my image, choose file. It's image 1. Yay.
I just sent over in Slack the image and video with the mic. If you can look at it and see if you like it.
Okay, sweet. Now with this, does it matter that I like this is getting cut off, or is that just like a square preview of the image?
It's just a preview.
Okay, yeah, because it's reading the actual image. What did it go to? Oh shoot, I pushed buttons. I want 16:9, right? That's going to be landscape.
Yep.
Okay. Let's
69.
boom.
We'll give you credit in a minute, Dan.
Okay, sweet, thank you. Okay, so let me see what Julie sent while that's cooking. And you said you sent
effects is coming back.
In Slack.
Sharon said you can have multiple screens now. It's a new feature in StreamYard.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that. Sharon.
Are you sharing hers too? Or
No. She just messaged. I'm just sharing her message.
Oh, okay. But I mean, are you sharing Julie's? Because Julie could share, right? Or I'll just drop it here. So the 5-second one, right?
Oh, it did it? Did it generate already?
Oh, I don't know. Because Julie generated a second version of what we started with all the people at the podium. Oh, my computer's slowing down. It's probably because it's using VO2. So, Julie, you might.
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
All right. Dan will be back.
Yeah, mine is. I'm trying to shut down a bunch of stuff because I keep freezing up.
Okay.
And I know if I try to share, it would probably be even worse. I may have to restart. Crap.
Are you having like Chrome issues? Are you having?
I'm having internet issues because of wind. Our internet I only have like
going in and out.
Yeah, our internet sucks. Yeah, it's just going in and out. I don't think it's even so much that I've got a lot open. I think it's just the internet and the wind right now.
If you want me to share anything at any point, you could just send it to me on Slack, and I could share my screen as well.
Okay.
If you
see my audio is going in and out too when I'm listening to you all speak. Is there something I can generate and send over to you guys? I can try that.
Honestly, you can. Here, wait, we have Dan back. Let's see.
Okay.
Dan, welcome back.
I pushed the button. That was me. That was a user error.
Oh, I thought your Chrome just had enough of the tabs. And
no, but I'm gonna close some of those bad boys. It did finish generating, so that's exciting.
As for Julie, I don't have anything in particular for you to generate, but if Dan does have,
I do.
We can do that.
Do you have some prompts that you want me to try, or do you want me just to come up with my own, or what are you trying to?
Let's why don't we like kind of pass the mic to you, and then I definitely as we move forward with this, I don't want to be like the only one in charge or something like that. So I think I love your creative mind. I would say let's so you take the stage, Julie, and what we need is a squirrel that is going insane to match Rutrose sounds. Like it has to be the level of insanity of that. So that's what we need next.
Okay.
And there will be videos, correct?
Yes, videos. And oh my gosh, this is adorable.
Okay.
This I mean, it's not what I was expecting, but it's really adorable and it'll fit in the video. So I think we'll go ahead and use it because this is really just like a practice project, so we can get our feet wet and just post something. So let me get back to. Every time I click on the StreamYard, I'm scared I'm going to close it because the X is right there in the Chrome tab. It's really dumb. So I'm going to add another video, Nick, if you can share that one. This is the one that was just generated. Isn't that cute?
Oh,
Just like,
is this the one that you just created right now?
yeah, he's just like blinking. He's like, "Hey, what's up?"
Oh, that'd
So-
be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really-
It's not as dynamic as I wanted it to be, but it actually did a lot in consistency, and the curtains, it really leveled up the curtains, and it maintained the integrity of the image. It just was subtle, which is okay, because I can add some effects in Final Cut. So I'll go ahead and just add this in and zhuzh it a little, and then I'll re-export so you can kind of see how everything fits together.
Yeah.
Now, two questions. First question is, are you gonna share your screen, Dan? And second question is,
Yes.
Does Julie have images for the squirrel?
Yep, they're in Slack, Julie.
Slack?
What we can do too is highlight how cool it is within the Slack that you guys have, that we can now do projects. And we have a project channel started where we can put in, let's see, it might not be in Slack, it might be in our XDMs. I put all the images there. I need to move them over into Slack. But if you like this whole Slack, just to highlight this amazing company, you can have a project overview where you can assign roles and tracker workflows, your files that you have to maintain, basically a swipe file. And they are in there. So everything, if you go in Slack, all of the files that have been shared within our Slack channel populate in there. And I don't really want to share my screen because it's a private Slack channel. But it's pretty cool that if you know how ClickUp works, it's very similar to ClickUp. So it's a nice project management tool, and it's a really good model for building your own CRMs.
Okay, are we doing the same squirrel or a different squirrel?
Same squirrel, just because this is like the practice one. So the squirrel's in that shot. Here I'm bouncing the way how it is now, and let me just do a quick cross dissolve transition. So unfortunately, I can't show the editing side of this because I don't use a web-based editor. I use Final Cut Pro. But I could probably do a virtual camera in OBS or something like that. Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Share your screen. Let's see it.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, you can imagine it, I guess. No, I'm just gonna bounce it quick and then I'll share the video. So it's already bounced. So it doesn't take long to bounce it. It's very short, and we'll just have to do that. Because I've got some time. Okay, so trying not to close StreamYard. I'm nervous.
Let's not do that again.
Let's not do that again. That's awkward. All right.
Well, I do have a prompt ready, but
Go for it. Do you want to share your screen?
Well, my screen's frozen. I can't.
Oh, okay, then don't do that.
I'm trying to look and see if I still have. I may have to screenshot. Or did you put the squirrel in Slack?
I'll add the squirrel in just.
I mean, I have it somewhere, but my screen.
Yeah, it's in our DMs. If you go to our Twitter X DMs, it's in. I just.
Oh, that's right.
Sent them all towards the beginning of when we started talking.
Okay.
Well, not started talking. Started working together closely on making a production studio. So where's my?
Okay, just.
But this really is so cool to have not known anybody or known anything about AI about 6 months ago. I can't even believe this is a thing. Like it's mind blowing. Falafel. Okay.
And there's more things coming out every day.
I know, and it's actually a little stressful.
Yeah,
Just kidding.
A lot of people do say it's stressful. Too many updates or too many new models. Like it's hard to keep track.
I think it's exactly the right pace for the way AI is moving. So it's us getting used to it. It's not you guys slowing down.
That's why you guys gotta subscribe to Sharon's magazine. I feel like it covers everything.
I agree. As soon as
on top of this,
also guys, this Pixio update is wild. I'm literally watching the guys add in Pika.
I am excited.
It's crazy.
Yeah, the pretty much the very first extra cash that I have, I am subscribing to Sharon's magazine. You can hold me to it, Sharon. 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 My Sharon. No.
I think if Rutro's here, pull her into the.
Oh, is Rutro here?
Oh, does she not have access to the link?
I don't think she has the link because it took me forever to find it. I had to look.
I'm sorry.
I was like, oh my goodness.
Send that to her on Slack. I looked on Slack. I was like, you know what? I don't think I actually DM'd her personally. So let me see if I can give her the link really quick.
Sweet. All right, and I shared my new. It's called Falafel. I'm gonna unshare the other one. So if you want to play Falafel after you do the Rutro transmogrifying. And then Julie, if your computer is like not cooperating, you can just send me the prompt and I can run it.
Okay, let me try something else.
The biggest problem here is you're sending her a Twitter link. Nick.
Well, so that link is not gonna work?
It might be invalid by the time she gets it.
Okay, let's see.
Send her a real one.
Okay, that's a good thing you told me.
Rutro's worth a real one.
That's weird stuff.
And also, I mean, if Endless Summer is watching as well, I might text her in the background too. We haven't really formally worked together, all of us. So it could be fun to do on live stream because I think we're all just like, whatever, this is cool. I'm going to go ahead and add all of our assets we have so far into the file channel in Slack. And then Nick, if you want, I shared it's a movie called Falafel. That's just what we have so far. All I added in was the little bumper at the beginning. Okay, here we go. Oh, did it not add in? No, it did not. That's weird. Oh, I think I gave you the wrong falafel. Says no one ever. Share. Gonna share it as
do I have to remove the current one or
no, I already go ahead and remove it. I think I can just stop sharing it. Remove from studio. Yeah, now it's gone. Then I'll make sure I just re-export it. I'll make sure it's it's working now. Okay. I don't know why it did that. That's weird. So here's another good thing to keep in mind as we're doing this, everybody watching, is make sure you have a labeling convention. What I do is we just put ref 01, just stands for reference 01, reference 02, and then it's easy to know which one is the newest one. The worst thing you can label something is falafel new. because then what's the next one called? Falafel newest, you know? So whatever the convention is, it's just, that's the best to be able to stay organized and not pulling your hair out.
We lost Julie, but she'll be back.
She's back. Okay.
And you want to know something funny, Dan?
What?
Ross was playing around with an operator the other day, where basically you can have AI go into Pixio and generate content for you. I
would love that. I am down, as long as it doesn't spend all my moolah. It's where you put limits on, right?
Yep.
And let's see. Okay, now it should be the right one. It actually does. It works really well with the music. It's kind of fun. So Falafel Ref 01 coming right up. All right, you should be able to share it now.
Yep.
There we go. Isn't that great?
That's awesome.
Why totally I'll rock the stage. Watch me shred with my invisible guitar solo.
Here's where the squirrel goes. There's Harold and his falafel.
The stage. Watch me shred with my invisible
I love how the guitar is coming out of his body. And there's the squirrel. So on the squirrel, I'm going to put a little button that says like, sing you know. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
Hey,
Rutro's in the house. Oh, did you see that, Rutro? Because we can always
saw
watch
parts of it, like right when towards the end.
We gotta you gotta see the whole thing. This is our hard work coming to life. I'm so excited for you to hear your squirrel sounds in context.
Those were horrible.
Oh, they're so good. It's the funniest thing ever.
Why totally I'll rock the stage. Watch me shred with my invisible guitar solo. Back, Harold,
Julie's working on prompting
your falafel. Like totally I'll rock the stage. Watch me shred with my invisible guitar solo.
So is that like really fast? Like at what, 2 or 3 or?
That was 2.5.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yep. Yeah. That was really fun. Okay, so I think the only other thing we need Harold and a falafel. So Nick, would you mind unsharing?
Dan, for context, what you're doing right now, that's like what you could put on that new AI workflow hub. You see?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Somebody will actually pay you to have the workflow of putting those all together and how it was done to where you got an animated like cartoon short.
Yeah. Oh, exactly. That's what I'm starting to finally wrap my head around. I did. I had to leave class early because I had to go teach. But what I was working on for the project was actually starting to work for this escape room project that I'm working on with Jodelle. And I'm really excited to like finally understand like, oh, so what helped me is that we're really operating at the calculus level. Like this is not geometry or algebra. We're operating at like the orchestrator, you know, like that we are overview people. And that's like the calculus piece. And then the arithmetic piece, that's the individual assets, like the videos and images and sounds that are the constituent parts. But if we can operate at this higher level, that means we can sell people that level because that's what we were impressed with like 6 months ago, you know, and over the moon. Because I had to keep reminding myself that we're super early, but not that early because it's moving fast.
You're super early to like AI being an everyday thing and using it for all that. Yes, you're not early for building products.
No, exactly. We're yeah, but that's I want to actually operate more, and I'm just kind of finding this out about my own objectives. I want to operate more at the coaching level. which is interesting because I think we've talked about this before. I'd love to be a teacher coach for how to use AI in different classrooms on very specific use cases, especially in special education. And that's, I'm still working on this project that I did for Build Space. I missed Build Space. I was so sad. Like I finally entered it the sunset year. But I've got this MIDI controlled brainwave controlled MIDI instrument that I'm still working on. So it's an exciting time to be innovating, and I think it's best to not get shiny object syndrome, but to really put everything together into the things that are important, and there's my soapbox moment for the day. Yeah, that's it. That's true. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Pixio now, and I want to generate Harold, who has lost the falafel. And Rutro, I totally want your imagination on this because I love everything you're coming up with. And what I'm seeing in my head is somehow we have to have this little sad image of Harold like forgetting the falafel and people running after him. But like as far as like where that happens, how it happens, what's the style, what do you think? What should we start with?
I guess him running away, I guess. I don't know.
Sure. Yeah, let's go for it. Well, I always like to start with TurboCraft because it's images that are super iterative. You can just be like, nope, that wasn't it.
Let me know when you're sharing.
Okay, I am sharing now.
And just so you know, I mean, Dan, I don't know any of these tools or anything. I haven't even seen behind the curtain. So just keep that in mind.
That's I love the fact that that's the experience, because not only do you get to look behind the curtain, but you get we get some insight that's not already colored by our own experiences of the product. So you get to see things in a different way, which I think is really cool. And is this no, that's not the raccoon one. That's the image one has the raccoon.
Really quick, Dan, are you on beta or are you on regular?
It's TurboCraft beta.
No, as in like the beta link.
I don't. Oh, this I think this must be the beta link.
So the domain.
How can I tell? Oh, it says
if it's long.
Pixio beta August patch 2.
Yep. You're good.
Okay. So let's go to images, generate.
And Julie slacked us because currently she's having device problems.
Okay, I love this. This makes me so happy. But I chose the wrong one. We want TurboCraft. Wait, what's custom craft? What's this? I've not seen that before. Oh,
and Julie sent us a close-up shot. Okay, so it's a whole prompt. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
And there's a lot of new stuff.
Yeah, so I need to have Slack open, or unless somebody can just tell me. I don't want to go between windows.
All right.
What should I do? Imagen?
Well, you got Imagen, you got Maxcraft, you got a lot of new
stuff. I know
stuff.
they're in different places, so I'm looking for what's new. Maxcraft.
So go to images, and you'll see go to images, and you'll see the big thing, the big menu.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's what I did. That's where I'm at. I'm in the wrong. Oh, no, I was sharing the wrong thing. I'm right there. I was sharing the wrong Pixio.
That's funny.
So
you got Fusion Craft, you got Maxcraft, you got Imogen Craft.
Yeah, I think this. Julie said this was a good one. Let me get my Slack. I want to be a Slacker.
I actually put it in the chat in the whatever this is. SteamYard.
StreamYard.
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
Oh, I see it in the private chat. Awesome.
Wait, where? Oh.
I think what we have to do.
Oh, wow. Okay. It says the focus is you may have ran out of characters. Is there a second part? The squirrel's paws are raised in frantic, agitated gesture. Julie, you're such a good prompter. It reminds me of The Giver. Precision of language. But it's
Okay, so we're having a limit, character limit for Magic Craft.
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. Here I was mute. Yeah. So the focus is. I just put the rest of it in the next little.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But I think we're at a limit here. I don't think we're even going to get as far as Julie did in what she sent or what
Oh
you sent the
God.
first
Sorry.
time.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. So I'm just that's new to me. So we just have to be succinct. The camera captures a Muppet-style squirrel with large, round, expressive eyes and a small button nose. Aw. Its fluffy tail is slightly disheveled, and tufts of fur stick out at odd angles, enhancing its wild appearance. Wow, this looks like it's optimized actually for the video directly. I love it. So the squirrel's paws are raised in frantic, agitated let's just say gestures, and then see what happens. And then let me go back and see what the rest of the prompt said. Oh my gosh, that's like perfect. Can we call that a zero shot?
Oh yeah, that is so cute.
That is actually really good.
Okay, I'm downloading that bad boy. We're gonna animate it. Okay, so this is great. I'm gonna just call it Frantic Squirrel.
Is it the right orientation for your animation?
It is. It looks like it's square.
Did you want square? Did you want?
I think we're gonna want. I mean, it really doesn't matter because I'm gonna take the background out because it's got to pop up.
Also, try the other model. So, Image Gen 3 without the fast. See if it does it any way better.
Then you could try chatting with.
And also, you can play around with the aspect ratios if you decide to want to change that. Oh my god, it got crazier for some.
It does look crazy. Okay, so let's try 16:9. It was super consistent with this one. So let's do 16:9 of the fast.
So if you try the chat, it has consistency somehow. I don't know how they did that.
This.
No, I don't know where chat is actually. It's somewhere in images, I think.
Oh, it's maker mode.
Oh shit.
Okay, that's okay though. I kind of still like this first one. What do you think, Rutro? The super crazy looking one or the almost sweet, adorable, crazy looking one?
I think the adorable, sweet and adorable, because that's sort of what you're sort of going
yeah,
for.
She's kind of sweet and adorable. Let's add. Can we add one thing?
Tell Dan to check his back and to show this on stream.
Rosy cheeked squirrel. All right, we're just gonna add rosy cheeks. that's kind of cuter.
Dan, did you get the DM?
And now it looks like
no. Yeah, let me check in Slack.
Yeah, click that. Look.
Okay. Oh my gosh, there's the rosy cheek. Look, he's wearing he's Tammy Faye Baker.
A little over the top.
Try the prompt there.
Okay. Show
the screen. Let me see how this works. Because I think you can do like consistent generations.
Okay. So it's this. Oh, why am I doing that? I'm like, that's from. Okay.
It's like a link I sent you.
Yeah. All right, so try the prompt here. Let me share this. Welcome to Pixio Chat. Chat with AI. Type your message in the input. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm actually, if I can upload an image, I'll try our first Frantic Squirrel. Generate images, edit generated images. Get started.
First, just give it the prompt. Say make an image of, and then put the prompt. Let's see what it does.
Well, I don't know what was Julie saying the focus is originally.
Yeah, it's still in the chat. The rest part.
Oh, the rest of it. Okay, perfect. That's the restream chat. No, I mean StreamYard. The focus is entirely on the squirrel's deranged. That changes everything. The focus is on the deranged expression. All right, let's do this. It's so the UI is so pretty.
I wonder what this is gonna do.
Oh my gosh, that's
Not
it.
even a squirrel.
Now, what's cool is you can say hit edit and say make another one with his hands in the air. No, just write hands in the air.
Oh, okay.
No camera. That's coming then. It's more.
That's more.
Look how good this is.
Oh, and it's still thinking. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my god.
So you can create and edit.
This is mind blowing.
You got to hit edit to edit.
I just did the color purple, right? Okay, so I got it, and that so it has to reference it down here.
So you can say like purple background. Wow.
I'm just I want to see what it does. If I just it's gonna give me a purple squirrel. That's what I want. I want a purple squirrel. See, it just added purple. I love it.
Literally say hit edit and say make background black, and then make fur of squirrel purple. It's very interesting. This new chat for Pixio.
Oh, fur of squirrel, purple, and he just crashed through a stained glass.
So you don't wanna, like, what are you expecting? You got to remember, it's editing this photo.
I know. I want to see how far I can push it. I always test limits.
It's interesting. This new feature, Pixio chat.
See, he just crashed through stained glass window. Look at that.
So you can upload a picture here and say, give me a different angle. Say, make his expression sad.
This is all about animation. Okay, so let's go with and it's on Donkey Kong. Okay, here we go. We're gonna upload this frantic squirrel. I'm so excited that we're live streaming this because I'm just so excited that this exists. Make him stick his tongue out. Because that's what I want. And this is how we get the 1, 2, 3 of consistency. Because then we can go to
see how great it is?
Oh my gosh. Now I want to reference this one. Make him slobbery. Like a raspberry, So this is so cool.
Oh my god.
That is what nightmares are made of. Make him riding a unicorn. And I want to do the other one up here.
Edit. Make sure you edit.
Yeah. So let me edit this one. And who rides a unicorn with their tongue out? Seriously.
Oh my god.
Click it.
Wait, what?
Make it bigger. Click it. Oh my god.
That's hilarious.
This is the game is no longer fair. Now I'm gonna say
like consistency and framing.
So what the chat is built on what model?
I have to look at the exact name. Something with Google Gemini. Using Imagen, basically. It's like when you do Pixio, but instead of just generating, you're having a conversation.
I think I saw a thread on that where somebody.
all right, Sarah, if you're watching, there you go.
Yeah, I think I saw a thread on that where someone had like a still picture of like a girl, and then they said have her make her hands into.
Yeah, this will do that.
Yeah,
this will do that for sure.
Okay, all right. So let's take some of the things like this. I'm downloading that just so I can like torture someone someday. But I'm gonna download this one and this one.
What do you think
And
of this
then-
new mode, Dan? You like it?
This is insane. So now I'm gonna say hands up. Let's see how simple I can be.
You know, this basically just crushes Photoshop, right?
This crushes everything. Oh, certainly here. Oh, what happened?
No, just do it again.
Okay.
Maybe a bug.
Maybe it's because I did too many generations and it forgot.
Yeah.
Make his hands up. I don't know. Certainly. Okay, they're like slightly up. I'll take it because then this can be our. If we go to
Make him raise his hands above his head. No,
Okay.
that'd be crazy. It might crack his hands off. Just say hands up.
That's what I said the first time, and it aired.
Hands raised.
Hands raised.
Wait. Oh, you did it?
Yep.
Okay, thank God.
We'll see.
And anyone, oh my God. Try again. And anyone who wants to use this, it's currently in maker mode right now, in beta on chat. It's called Pixio chat.
Hands raised to the sky. Let's see. I just want one more so it's dynamic for the animation, and we'll put in 3 cells and have it animate. I think it's still thinking.
I don't think so. Just do it again.
Okay.
It's new. This is so. It's
Yeah, no, this is great.
Bug testing it.
Let me go to. I could just add the unicorn. Let me use this one.
Oh my God.
I wonder how only certain ones can be edited. Hands raised.
Yeah, that's a bug. We're gonna fix that. All images should be edited.
This is so.
But quick workaround is you could download your image and upload it.
I love this. He's being attacked by a ghost.
Oh my God.
Ghost squirrel. Well, I mean,
maybe you should say the squirrel has its arms raised by like up.
Okay.
Because
the two-handed squirrel.
Yeah, no, not the two-handed squirrel. Because it's not. I think it just needs to understand more about what it is. That's a squirrel. Because all the hands are coming out human.
Raises both hands up. Let's see. Well, his tongue is out.
And you could always use Imagen Edit, and there's always Creative 2 editing.
It really likes giving lots of hands, but that's okay. So I think I have enough downloaded. We can
just give it the picture, right, and say this same squirrel, different angle.
Oh yeah, so I just refeed it in. It might just be too many generations down the road.
No, it doesn't matter.
Or
how you feed it in doesn't matter.
Okay.
You can just give it the squirrel and say, give me a different angle of the squirrel. And then in the settings, ask for like 4 images.
Ooh. This is so cool.
Hit close.
Oh, yep.
You might have to ask for 4 images, but you see how you kept the same squirrel.
Yeah. Okay, now I have 3 that I actually think are really good. What do you think, Rutro? Any suggestions?
No, this is like really mind blowing, actually.
I know. Hey, you guys.
Today, by the way, we're having a Space Guys later. You guys better come.
Sure. What time?
In like an hour or 2.
I will I should hopefully be able. I think I can.
Well,
I
I
think I
didn't.
can. I think I can.
So you can come.
Let's see. I have 3, and they're all different. Good. Okay, so now I want to try this in.
You know what's even weirder, by the way? I know you don't need it, but you know what's weird? Give it to squirrel and say,
What?
spin the squirrel around.
Did you say spin it around? Uh-oh. I got something's disconnected.
Or
No, that's
or it's happening to me because I see.
Wait, I'm backstage.
Oh.
Oh yeah, now I'm back. Okay. So what do you say? Spin the squirrel around? Oh, like so that we're looking at the back of his head?
Yeah. Say like I don't know.
What if I say pivot 180 degrees?
Yeah.
To the right, to the left.
But this is where, so like in theory, where it gets weird is you can upload a photo here with a watermark and be like, remove watermark. So not great.
Not great.
But powerful.
It's basically just did the thing, but it flipped it around the wrong axis.
Just say spin it around a little. Say spin the squirrel a little bit so we see the back of his head.
I love that it's spin 360. It mirrored it.
I think this model has capabilities to do a bunch of stuff, including random things like mirroring. Oh, he didn't put anything.
The edit.
Oh, there we go. That's so cute. That's what I was going for. Yeah, I did not. I broke the rules.
I mean,
don't feed the squirrel after midnight. You had one rule, and now it became that. Oh my gosh!
How cool.
Oh wow!
Oh my gosh! Okay,
it knows a lot about the image, so much so that it could like rotate the object.
It's almost like you can make a 3D, dude.
Yeah, you can. And if you turn on 4 images, say, give me 4 images of this squirrel doing random activities in random poses.
Okay, let me do that after this. I want to see if it gets the 90 degrees. Because I want to see his profile.
Oh my god.
Oh, Julie's.
Julie's. But they gave him weird ears.
I can't see
Julie's thing. That's nuts.
It is nuts. Okay, so let's reference this squirrel. Oh, not that one. No, this squirrel. 4 images of the squirrel.
Make sure you turn on settings in 4.
Doing random. Yep, I will. Things.
And you got to put the reference. You did? Okay, 4.
Yep. I have another idea after this.
So this should give you 4 images, actually. And if it doesn't, you may have to hit close.
Yep. Look, it did. Oh my gosh. What is it doing? It's got nuts. Is that soup? What is this? So, it gave me 4 and 1.
Yeah.
Oh, that's rad. Oh my gosh. I know exactly what to do. All right. Okay.
I remember.
Dude. Okay. So make me a drawing tutorial of a baby mouse that.
And you know for sure it's not 4, or just previewing it?
No, it's not for sure.
So you click it. It doesn't say
4
like
images. Because there would be 4 download buttons. Try it yourself.
In a sequence of 4 images in sequential. I don't know how to phrase that part. We'll see what it does with growing detail. I don't know. I probably am confusing it. It doesn't like my brain.
Oh we have to
Baby mouse in a sequence of 4 images with growing detail. Growing detail. It's gonna. This tail's just gonna get longer.
And Julie put something in Slack. She put an image. I'm not sure how to put it.
Look, it got there. And I got 4 different images. Look. And one of them is this. Exactly what I wanted, except it's not. I need to find the right prompt. Okay, so let me put this into Perplexity. And... I'm going to try the 4.0, you know, the 4.0 search preview. And then please optimize this prompt to yield a coloring book style drawing tutorial.
Yeah.
Let's see what it does. Oh wait, I'm not sharing the tab. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just go like this. See what happens.
Do you know what I'm building next, Dan?
Is it building sheet music?
No. Well, that's next. We have something with MIDI coming, but
yay!
Like, make me a story about a squirrel named Harry and generate 40 pictures and 15 chapters.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
And it will do all of it.
Yeah, but you can do that with like an agent.
Where did I put the... Okay, there it is. I could not find what the Pixio beta looked like.
It'll even turn into a PDF for you.
That's true.
Well, we'll see what it does with that. I may have just broken it. Sorry.
Let me see. What'd you break? My beta?
No. Let's go like this. Okay, so I'm gonna try each of these prompts in here. There, it's cute. Okay, so now it's giving me a succession. So this is another workflow I could do.
Let me see what you're talking about.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep copying and pasting. So I want to get 2 of them so you can compare. Create a. Okay, so this is if I were to do this, then I'm referencing this image, but then I'm putting in the succession. So I'm trying to make a coloring book, basically. See it? Yeah, but that's something I can play with, though, because that's what I got out of the LLM. Was it gave me like we're going to do a basic outline, we're going to add a few features, and then texture details, and then like the finished piece. So this is just probably too many details for this model, or just not the right details. But I like how it handled this, because now I can take that and say reduce to half or to basic geometric shapes as you.
So it's safe to say you've been using Multibot, Dan.
Yeah, I have been. See, it kind of did it, except it maintained most of the shapes. So if I do something like this, okay, I maybe getting a little obsessive, but this is solving what I need. Like, I think this is very exciting. Make a.
Are you sharing your screen? Or whatever
oh my gosh, no.
Oh, I see.
That you guys got to tell me that like 5 minutes ago. I'm just kidding. I should really know by now. I'm trying. What I did? I basically took the derivative of this, and now I'm kind of going the other way. So just like make a basic outline of a mouse such as would be the first step of a simple drawing tutorial. See what it does. Because then I can say add more detail, add more detail, add more detail.
That simple little outline, you can sort of use that as a, connect the dots, like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yep. Oops. It's like, add more detail to what, you fool?
Well, here's the thing, Dan. You forget that this also can chat. So you can also chat with it about a prompt too.
What do you mean chat with it?
Like
I can just ask it like, hey.
Yeah, like I'm trying to create a detailed
prompt for.
Like I want to create a coloring book outline of a mouse. What's a good prompt for this? Like you could talk to the tool itself now. This is new. Before you couldn't really do this.
Let's pick a different creature. Let's go back to a squirrel.
Ooh, Julie generated a really good one. On Slack.
A squirrel?
A mouse.
Oh, nice. Let me look.
And you could say like a dotted line outlining it too, if you wanted to.
Can I feed it something and then have it extrapolate a different animal?
See what it says? Like read it.
Okay. So focus on clarity and simplicity. Oh, that's my life's work.
Do you see how it's letting you in on how it works? This is the
create 6 distinct black and white outline images for a children's coloring book, demonstrating how to, I love this. I'm gonna do it in here, just that little bit. And then I'm gonna bring it maybe to Flux and see if, because I like how I can tell them, hey, optimize it for this model. That looks really disturbing. I don't know what it is.
Oh gosh.
Okay. Let's go with
Alice
option
has gone
3.
wild, I guess.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
The 6.
Look at that. What is that? What is that?
So Ross brought up a good point. Just try 1 instead of 6.
Because you didn't select multi-image. So.
Oh, this is true. So it's like, what the heck do you think? Oh, see, that's cute. Okay, so now I'm going to do this, and I'll say add more detail. Oops.
Imagine.
Try to just do it again.
Add more features. Did it do it? Yeah, it did. It added the little, look, we can make coloring books now. Now I'm going to reference this one. No, I can't reference that one for some reason, but I would reference this one and say, take away details.
Yeah, but you can just download it always and re-reference it.
Oh, yeah. You're so smart.
We're going to fix that. We're going to make every image referenceable.
Okay, but see, this is why we beta test. So now I'm going to say, I want to see if it goes in reverse and say reduce details or reduce features, because it was the word features that worked, right?
No, you could say like remove some of the lines.
Oh, you think far more simply than I do, and I love it.
Like as if it's incomplete.
Yeah, this one takes longer because it's.
Sometimes it works.
Okay. Remove 30% of the lines. Did it do it? It did. It's missing. Let's see. What is it missing?
Yeah, it's missing some lines.
Yep. Some of those lines. Yeah. Okay. So now I'm going to just reference this one and say, add more features.
Like this is really interesting use for this because.
Oh, look at this.
You can see the red line is showing the new feature.
This is great. It's very much intuiting what I'm looking for. I'm gonna push it till it gets weird or complete, whichever comes first. I think it's really quite complete. I think I'm at 6 images now, so I fulfilled my destiny on this squirrel prompt. Add more features.
Because they add color to the tail.
Okay, so like let's just say add hash marks.
What?
Like
Hash mark.
What is that?
It's like
pencil sketch.
to help you like draw better. To connect the.
It's also a shading technique. Okay, I didn't reference it.
At least it knows what to do.
It's like, well, those are hatch marks. I that was on purpose, Ross. You asked what hatch marks are. I just want to show you. Isolated, that's important. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so now I'm gonna reference it. Don't worry. Add color.
Oh. It's really working. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I can draw a squirrel now.
This is so cool.
All right. I agree. So I'm going to download these. I'm going to make a little coloring book. It's a TSI coloring book. I'm going to put a picture of Josh Hellman in and say, reduce this to a pencil sketch. That'd actually be not a bad idea.
It'll actually do that using ControlNet.
Okay. Should I start with this as our image? I kind of feel like I want to save that for the rest of my life because it'll join the unicorn with my nightmares.
So Julie put in Slack a nice little workflow how to create a little coloring book. So,
Julie's freaking amazing. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna skip some of these ones.
She's powering through, even though she has no current power and electricity.
Yeah. She's adding the power.
It's true.
He has the power. Let's go past. Let's get the hash marks. So I'm sending this to there's a meme coin called OG Peanut. I'm gonna send this to them. And Morgan actually introduced them on my show yesterday that I have with Mojo, and it was really cool. We drew squirrels. This is the squirrel I drew by hand.
Oh wow!
It looks so similar, right? And only slightly demonic. Yeah, but I am. So now what's really cool is I can take 3 of these images and make a little video drawing tutorial. Because check this out. I'm going to start with that one. I'm going to go to. How do I get out of here? I'm going to go to Pixio. I foraged so far. I need to. We'll get back to the Muppets eventually, but this is really fun. Whatever this turned into. I'm gonna have to go and probably
definitely try out some of the new models. So when you don't forget.
So what new models should we try out?
Once you share your screen, we'll.
Am I not? Oh my gosh! Thank you, Nick, for being so kind.
Got you. So if you're trying to do images, we can go to images. If you're trying to do videos,
I want to do a video, and I want to do a video where I can add some images to it.
Okay, so some new ones. We got Videocraft, Flixcraft, Filmcraft.
What's the high what's the overview of one? Are there any that I could put say Vidcraft Ultra, the Alpha or Turbo, where I can have 3 different images and camera angles?
No.
Okay.
Going back to Vidcraft Ultra.
I know. I want to try a new one. So what should I do? I want to animate this squirrel that has color that we just made.
You could try any of the ones that I mentioned. Even Wandcraft, that's really new as well.
No, honestly, for Motioncraft Ultra in live mode is great for art.
Okay.
Motioncraft Ultra.
And I haven't really used Motioncraft Ultra a lot.
I'm gonna hit live when you upload the picture.
Okay.
Am I in the right one? I'm in the beta. Yeah, I'm in the beta. Okay.
And you can choose director too and tell it what to do.
Okay. So
and also, yep. So yeah, once you've uploaded your image, select the model that has director on it.
Okay. This is what I'm really excited for. Yeah, you're right, Ross. I do sometimes go back to the things I know. But I want to learn. I'm here to learn, right?
That's true. We want to explore.
This is so cute. This squirrel's so cute.
Choose live or choose director.
I am going to name the squirrel Nutter Butter, by the way. I want a director. That just sounds cool. I want camera movements.
Wow.
So.
Oh my God. Yeah, you should definitely remove some of the pillows.
Use the format movement in your prompt. Okay. So I'm going to just copy this, and then I'm going to have AI Tutor help me. I'm going to do a new chat.
That's actually really good. And also share your screen. Take us
Thank you. Please tell me that every time until I get in the freaking habit. Okay, so I need a prompt. What model should I say, or just optimize for a video model with director?
Yeah.
And then use optimizer.
Yep.
You think optimizer?
Yeah, and give it direction.
Okay.
Tell it what to do.
What's optimizer? That's in the.
You're talking about go back to Pixio, Ross?
No.
In Pixio.
There's a thing right there that says optimize prompt.
Are you looking at what we're looking at?
Well, hold on.
Where do you see this?
Oh, prompt optimization. It's right on Pixio, disabled. So I'll enable it. So okay, now I'll just stay here. I'll just stay right in the app.
Okay.
But I typically go to AI Tutor for prompts just because I like to get nervous.
Yeah, you could do whatever you like, Dan. I think it's just suggestion. It's a suggestion of
say an orbiting zoom out shot of the squirrel. I'm gonna throw it a curveball. Running through the 100-acre wood from a Milnes Winnie the Pooh. We'll see how it can reference it. Because that's how I roll. It'll probably break. Or because doesn't it look like an A.A. Milne character? Sort of.
Yeah, it does.
I really like the squirrel.
And Rutro, if at any point you want to share your screen, just feel free to do it, and I'll add you to the stage.
I really feel like
I have nothing to share.
Yeah, you do. Nothing but wonderful ideas. No, I love like I'm curious to ask, like, did you enjoy doing the Foley stuff, or was it like outside your comfort zone in not a comfortable way?
I've never done anything like that. I didn't even know what a Foley artist or whatever that was. I had to look it up.
Yeah, that was so cool. But you leaned in.
I felt really silly. I
am so impressed. That is, I mean, it'll always be the very first video we do together. And that sound will always be in there. So I love.
No.
Oh no! That was my favorite part. He's like, oh no!
It was really good.
Yeah. So let me check Slack while we're waiting for this to cook, because I want to see what Julie's been working on. Is it in our locked channel?
Yes.
Okay.
But I like that we're doing it like this, because it's a great way for everyone to contribute and collaborate, and that's what we're all about. So
yeah, no, it's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna have to go in probably about 3 minutes anyway, but this has been so fun. Let's watch. Let's wait till. Oh, it cooked. It cooked. Let's widescreen this one.
Perfect timing.
I'm excited to see this. Oh my word! What?
Wow.
Oh my God! Can you take my little acorn man and put him in there?
I knew she was gonna ask to do that.
Oh my gosh! What? It's beautiful.
You love it. See?
That's awesome.
Welcome to the new features.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. I have to generate some music for this now because this is going on online. This is being posted. Oh my gosh! I have to watch it again. Sorry. I
have an acorn man that's really cute.
Can we let's make a scene? Yeah. Where's your acorn man?
I'll put him in Slack.
Okay. Yeah, because we are using that, and we're going to. So we can take the style of the squirrel and the acorn man, or do they kind of match already? Like even the hash marks, like the hash marks kind of tied all this in.
Yep.
Look at that. I have to watch it again. It's so cute. And then so Rutro, what you can do for Foley, you know, this kind of thing, it would be like you know, there's so many cool things. And that's what we can do in Soundcraft as well. Let's try it. Well, you're getting me on Slack. Oh my gosh, I have to. I'm glued to this screen right now. I can't leave. I'm so happy. But that's a squirrel that came right out of the chat with, imagination to that within 10 minutes. Way better than these squirrels. Look at that. Oh, wait, I'll take you with. I promise. Really better than those squirrels. So now I want to go to sound and I want to do, you said Songcraft Pro is back up?
Yeah, but if you're trying to do sound, try Soundcraft too.
Well, I'm gonna do I'm gonna do some underscoring. Yeah.
Okay,
and
great.
I want to actually is Songcraft like the original? Is that still down?
Yes. Currently
Okay.
I'm like working on it in tandem.
Okay. Oh, I know what I can do. I've done this before and it worked really well. So I'll go to Songcraft Pro. Oh, community gallery. I think I put something in the community gallery earlier today. Let's see. Oh, there's Dr. Heath's woolly mammoth mouse. And I love your Pikachu. That was Alisher, right?
Yeah.
That was so good. Oh, and look, there's this. Is this Julie's squirrel?
We can't see it yet.
The one
right?
up here. Yeah, it's not loaded yet. I said it blipped up, but oh, there it is.
Yeah, you gotta give it like a second because there's tons of images and videos and 3D models.
Just download it.
That's a quick way too.
Yeah, and then I can just share it, and then everybody can see it, big and loud, big and loud. Is this the one you made, Julie? Hopefully. Otherwise, whoever this is, they're getting the free feature. I love it. Okay, it's up there, Alisher or Nick or Ross or Nick Alisher. Nicalish Ross. Nicalish Ross. That is now what I'll call you all. Nicalish Ross.
The black one.
The black one?
Yeah, I think that's his name.
But I don't know. That's the other one.
Am I in the wrong place?
Maybe I gotta remove. No. Try adding it to the stage, and I'll see.
Okay. Yeah, because I added it, but it's showing up on mine. Let me try it again.
Because currently I just see the falafel one.
Yeah, the falafel one's pretty good too. Motion. Okay. I see it. Do you see it?
I see it.
Oh my gosh. That's adorable.
That's so.
We're
so
all about squirrels today, aren't we? Okay. So Pixio. There it is.
Let me.
What is the icon for Songcraft look like?
Give me 1 sec. Let me just add you back so I can see before. Okay, I gotta remove this first. Great. Okay, well, show me your screen. Where you going? It says Soundcraft.
Songcraft. Yeah.
So audio.
Yeah, but if no,
So
I was just trying to find it. So
this is the one that's currently
right.
Yeah. So
but here's what I've done before: is using simple. Then I just say a delightful harp and string piece or interlude with humming, and then I put it worked like a couple times, so I'm just curious. It could be really pretty or it could be really bad.
This is funny. Have you tried doing the generate prompt?
Yeah, I've played it. I really like the simple. Remember, this is where we got the snarky song, and it was like the best one we did that night.
I don't know if Front Row's heard it, but it's hilarious.
Oh, it's your theme song. I mean, it's pretty next level.
merch coming out soon.
Oh, this is a real deal. Like, we are gonna start selling some Singalingables merch, and for some yeah. All right, here, let's go with this.
All right, you gotta download it.
That's right. I had to do that
and share it.
But all I had to do, I just have to basically put it into a tab.
Oh yes.
A little haunting. Kind of dig it though. I don't hear the harp and string.
Feeling heavy, heart so tight.
Aww.
Just one big sign sets me right. All my worries they fade away. In the moment, I find my way.
Oh, this is actually, that kind of is appropriate, you know. Let's see what the other one is. What's behind door number 2? And dang it, I lose Pixio all the time. Okay. And emotional release, the other one. Let's go right here. Oh. I don't think they're that similar.
Are you sharing the tab?
No, I am trying to find. Okay, this one's different. I accidentally downloaded the same one again. Ooh, this is like Chariots of Fire. Bum 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 bum, but in minor key. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum.
Feeling heavy, heart so tight. Just one big sigh sets me right. All my worries they fade away. In this moment I find my way.
All right, I'll bite. I kind of well, let me Rutro, which one do you like better? Number 1 or number 2?
I like number 1.
I kind of did too. That's the emotional release one. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stop sharing for a second, and then I'll just put it into. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. I'm gonna put it into Final Cut, but I think I've got to start wrapping up because I have to call somebody back. But yeah, awesome. I'm gonna make this little video, and then I'll post this squirrel that we just made
on Slack.
On Slack, but then also online. you
Awesome.
know, like on X.
I definitely want to see it. So.
Yeah. Well, no, I mean, I'm still gonna do this part live so we can have a final like. I really like the mood of that. It's an interesting juxtaposition with the brightness of the 100-acre wood. So it's kind of cool. But what I would typically do is go to Songcraft and just do instrumental, and I put a bunch of tags that get exactly what I want, and then kind of prompt it beyond that. That's what I'll do when it's back up. But I actually really like different, you know, looking at different ways that music can interact with the picture, because it's not, when you have a rub, like this is definitely a rub. We have this really bright, happy squirrel running through the 100-acre wood, and then we have this like really ominous minor key, like dun, 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 dun. It's got a lot of weight and gravitas. But I'm curious to see what they look like together. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys have any closing thoughts or other things that you can't wait for people to check out and give feedback on.
We are going to have a space later today to go on a deeper dive on what all the new features are and all the new updates. And it should be coming, we should be pushing it live either this week or next weekend. And overall, really good job. And Songcraft will be back up by today. I'll hit you up on the Slack and let you know exactly what's back on. So if you want to play around with some instrumentals, you can definitely do that.
And okay, I'm adding Julie
for joining. And
yes,
it's been a lot of fun. You know, I like having other creators come, and you know, we're all collaborating, we're all learning at the same time, and it's you know, it's a lot of fun. I definitely want to make this a big community where all creators can come and provide some inspiration and some ideas. So thank you for that.
Yeah, it's awesome working with you, Rutro. I love your ideas, and especially your Foley. Like this is your calling, I think, or one of them. We're all probably polymaths. We have.
I'm in love with the little acorn man I made way back in like January. Yeah.
Where's the acorn man? Can I put him in this video?
I actually put it in Slack, but I'm looking just for the still image. I created the little video in one of those Saturday demo spaces. Yeah.
Oh wow, I'm looking at it right now. It looks really good.
Yeah, and one of the movies had music to it. It had like a little Irish jig, and he's like up on top of the stump and singing and dancing.
That's awesome.
Yeah. It doesn't go with your squirrel, but yeah.
No, that's okay. I mean, I'm putting a couple squirrels together, so I think it's an all call.
It'll be a sequel, you know.
It will be.
It'll have its own story.
No, where is my squirrel? I lost my squirrel. Oh, there it is. I never downloaded my squirrel. I'm like, I can't lose my squirrel. This is the best squirrel I've ever seen. All right, download. There we go. This squirrel is going to be famous. Famous. There he is. There he is. Okay, so I'm gonna add a quick fade and then export, and then I'll show it, and then I'm out of here.
Then you do it again next week.
Oh yeah. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. All right, so dynamic transition. Ooh, let's do a bloom. Okay. This will be cool. And then we'll fade to color. Just doing a real quick, I know you can't see this because I'm in Final Cut, but I'm just doing a quick and dirty. And then I'll fade out. All right. Oh my gosh, it's in tempo. Okay, this is insane. All right, exporting now. And prepare to bask in some collaboration, because these are really fun. Collaboration is what again? Like the new currency?
The new currency.
All right, exporting. I'm going to share it. I'm going to call it Squirrel Imagination. It's a little ominous, but it's actually its own little, like, I think we might be able to enter this in AI Shorts Film Festival.
You definitely should, honestly.
I really should. Yeah. Because that's like with this whole Singalingables brand, that's what I foresee. That it could be. All right, I'm excited to share this. But we are now a production studio, and Pixio Pictures. Pixio Pictures, there it is. And this is the awkward moment where I said like an hour ago, always label your stuff. Oh, no, I did label it. Good. It's just I have too many things on my desktop. Squirrel Imagination. Okay, good. So go here. Present. All right, here's the big reveal. This is what we made today.
All right. Are we ready?
Yep. Isn't that great? It's a squirrel dreaming about being a real squirrel.
It's so ominous.
It is. Yeah, that's not harp and strings I was looking for, but that's okay. That's totally fine. I love it. Yeah, so I'm posting that right now. I'll tag everybody in it. Awesome. But thank you guys for your time and all of your attention. Whoever's watching this, get creative. That's what I got to say to everybody on a Friday evening. Just take some time to get creative.
And if Julie gets to watch again or whatever, oh my God, that workflow is great. That should put it in Slack.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Julie's on fire. All right. Well, I'm gonna take off, everybody, and hopefully see y'all at the space. What time is your space? In like a couple hours, you said? Or like
it's gonna be like in an hour.
After you guys eat something?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, sounds good. I'll hop in. All right.
Thanks, man.
Bye.
Thanks, Julie. Thanks, Ruh-roh.
Ruh-roh.
Bye-bye.
Bye.